Yeah, hi friends, ये Turutma from Engineering Excellence Academy. Yes, it has been a long time since we took any video or posted on our channel. So I thought of just reviving this channel so that we all can share little knowledge here and there. Yeah, we are going through a very unprecedented times. We all are going through unprecedented times. So what we can do our best is maintain social distancing and mask on. So preferable use two mask बोलते हैं ना एक से भले दो. And I have read somewhere also that if you mask doubly, like use double mask, the risk of infection reduces by 95%. So we can just try our best to stay away from this infection as far as possible. Rest तो भगवान के हाथ में है सब. So in this video I will not straight away jump into any section or form. um, I'll just basically brief you about how do I read about MCA, how do I gather or brush up my knowledge on MCA laws, regulation, rules, sections, chapters, notification, circulars. So for me, handling hard books is little difficult. You cannot carry your hard books everywhere. Like we have to visit our client places every now and then, and now also it's sometime work from home, work from office. So carrying your books is actually not possible all the time. And also we are living in a digital world. So I prefer MCA ebook for this because it's like single window clearance. On a click of a cursor you get all the information you require. So let's proceed. I'll navigate you how do I proceed about using MCA ebook. So friends, now I am on my प्यारी सहेली website Google. I always say to all my interns, जिसका कोई नहीं उसका Google. So पहले I will go on to Google website. On Google type MCA ebook. So first link which you get is MCA ebook. Click on that. So this is MCA ebook website. I will zoom a bit so that you can see my screen a little better. How to zoom this? Yeah. Yes. So on the left hand side you can see four tabs: Companies Act 2013, Companies Rule, Effective Dates, Notifications and Circulars. So first it is my very bad habit to always go into the last chapters of any book. So I will click. I know some of you all also do this. So first I will go to notifications and circulars. Yes, all the notifications which are published are updated here at the earliest. So you can see today we are standing on 4th May 2021 and you can see notifications dated 3rd May 2021. So MCA has given 3 circulars yesterday and all the circulars are listed here. So the date selected is 4th to 4th. That is why only you can see very few notifications here. If you widen your period you will get more results. So you can widen your results, like if you want to see all the notifications in the month of March till date, then you can change the date and click on search. Then the page will give you the entire notifications from the month of March till date. Yes, here we are. So this was about the tab notifications and circulars. So if you want to keep yourself updated about all the notifications released by MCA, you can visit this MCA ebook. You need not go to many websites. Yes, there are a lot of websites. So you need not visit many website here and there. Then you can just click on back, and now I will go to the first tab, Companies Act 2013. Yes, this is the main book. Here as we all know that that any act is divided into various chapters. Under chapter you get all the sections, and there are certain schedules to it. So Companies Act 2013 is divided into 29 chapters, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, yes, there are 29 chapters and 7 schedules. So you can visit any chapters of your interest or the work which you are doing. So for example, I am an auditor, so I am most concerned with this chapter 10, audit and auditors. I'll click on this. When I click on this, the MCA ebook will take me into the list of sections which are under this chapters. So you can see on the left side there are section numbers, brief title head of the section, and the notification dates. So you can click on any section if you want. So basically, why do we need to read these rules or go through this work? Actually, what happens whenever if you do any work, you cannot just straight jump onto the work and start doing the work. If anybody tells you to incorporate a company or appoint an auditor, you can't just start opening the form and start filling the forms. You have to first go to the details of what does the law says. We say reading between the lines. Otherwise, what is the difference between any professional and any other person who just googles and does a work? Because काम तो कोई भी कर सकता है, गूगल करके कोई भी काम कर सकते हैं. But this is the difference between a professional and a non-professional. So this is appointment of auditor section 139. You can see there are a lot of words on which there are hyperlinks. So there are hyperlinks because ये आने के बाद उसके बाद कुछ ना कुछ notifications आया है या changes आया है. So you can click on this notifications, changes or any links. Many time it's written as may be prescribed. So उसमें क्या prescribe किया हुआ है वो link में जाने से आपको समझ में आ जाता है. So this is the thing. You can enlarge this, you can minimize this, you can cancel this. The beauty of this ebook is I need not carry my hard book everywhere. I can just log on onto this ebook and Google whatever I want. So next tab is company's rules. As we all know that any act is also supported by rules. So एक्ट बनने के बाद बहुत सारे रूल्स आते रहते हैं बार बार में ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स. सो दीज आर लिस्ट ऑफ रूल्स released by MCA. So you can see any rules here. Then the third tab is effective dates. कि कौन सा सेक्शन कौन सा डेट से इफेक्टिव हुआ है. बिकॉज MCA Companies Act 2013 has become effective from 2013. So you can see all the sections which has been notified and effective from which date. So mostly many dates are 2013-14, but you can see here some of the dates are near to 2016 also. And see, you can see section 465 is yet to be notified. मतलब कि लॉ में उसने बोल दिया है बट ये सेक्शन अभी चालू नहीं है. इट्स येट टू बी नोटिफाइड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू कि कौन सा सेक्शन कहाँ से नोटिफाई हुआ है. वी कैन सी दिस. सो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन बैक and so friends, thanks for watching the video. We will soon be back with the better content. Yeah, we are planning to come with ADT1 or INC 24 soon. So till then, please take care, take good care of your health, maintain social distancing and mask on. Yes to mask.